Newwish is a manufacturer of die forging equipment, focused on precision forming for advanced industrial applications. We develop and produce electric screw presses, servo hydraulic presses, and integrated forging production lines. The company was founded in 1993 by Professor Huang Shuhui, former president of Huazhong University of Science and Technology. Our technology is supported by HUST State Key Laboratory of Materials Processing and Die and Mold Technology, as well as our own R&D team of doctoral and master's level engineers. In 2024, Newwish delivered the world's largest 6,300-ton servo direct drive electric screw press, achieving advanced international standards. This represents a significant advancement in large tonnage, high-precision forging. Our servo direct drive technology enables precise control, higher efficiency, and improved energy performance. Beyond individual machines, Newwish provides complete turnkey die forging solutions, integrating process engineering, die design, automation, production line integration, and digital systems. We help manufacturers achieve high-quality and high-efficiency production, while enabling low-carbon manufacturing and sustainable development. Our equipment is fully certified for international markets, including ISO, CE, and Japan's SII Energy Efficiency Program. This enables deployment across Europe, Japan, India, Southeast Asia, and Africa. Today, Newwish serves over 600 customers worldwide in high-end sectors such as aerospace, automotive, machinery, rail transit, energy, power transmission, and other advanced industries. With over 1,900 machines delivered and nearly 200 automated forging lines installed, Newwish supports manufacturers in achieving higher quality, greater efficiency, and long-term sustainability.